It is here at 1-1. I didn't forget about you, sir, at 1,000,002. 1,000,002, 1,000,003 now. 1,000,003. We're at 1,000,002, asking $1,300,000. Matthew Bidder is out on the phone at 1-2, asking 1-3.
Well, hand-built, 560 horsepower, 3.6 litre twin turbocharged flat 6 engine with a 6-speed manual transmission. What a wonderful weapon of a car this really is.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have 1,250,000 on the telephone, asking 1,003,000. 1,250,000, asking 1,003,000. We're both out of the room at 1,300,000. 1,275,000. Yes, now 1,003,000. 1,275,000, asking 1,003,000 now. 1,300,000 dollars at 1,275,000, asking 1,300,000 dollars. The bid's to you, 1,300,000 at 1,275,000, 1,300,000. I didn't forget about you as well. $1,300,000 at 1,275,000, asking $1,300,000. We're going to count it down at 1,300,000 going once. $1,300,000 going twice. The bid's in the room at $1,275,000. $1,300,000. Matt, tell me yes or no. $1,300,000. We're very close at 1,003,000.
Well, the desirable specified with lightweight door cards, slip top, shaved rain gutters, and the integrated roll cage, and it's an absolutely magnificent example on the roof.
1,275,000. 1,003,000, sir. You want to reconsider? Last chance at $1,300,000. $1,003,000, just in time.